Let's look at this arithmetic progression. There are 12 terms in this progression. Terms number 1 to terms number 12. We have learned how to find the sum of all the terms in this arithmetic progression. Yes, that is from term number 1 to the last one. But what if what we want to find is the sum of these three terms? There is no equation to find the sum of these three terms. But there is a way to find the sum of these three terms. First, we find the sum from term number 1 to term number 12. That is S12. And then we find the sum from term number 1 to term number 9. This is S9. So the sum of term number 10 to number 12 is the difference between S12 and S9. Minus. Note that this one is 10 here, but this one is 9 here. Find the sum of the 11th term to the 22nd term of this arithmetic progression. Let's see. What do we know about this question? We have A, the first term. The first term is negative 11. We also know D, the common difference. The common difference is 6. Now we want to find the sum of the 11th term to the 22nd term. Look at this diagram. The 11th term to the 22nd term is here. And this is also equal to this part, which is S22, minus this part, S10. So the sum of terms from T11 to T22 is S22 minus S10. Note that this one here is S10, not S11. Look at the diagram again. So let's work it out. Let's find S22 first. N is 22. We plug in the number. A is negative 11. We plug in the number. D is 6. We plug in the number. We work it through and we will get 1144. For S10, N is 10. Of course, we plug in the number. A is the same, negative 11. D also the same, 6. We work it through and we will get 160. Right, the sum of the 11th term to the 22nd term is S22 minus S10. S22 is 1144 and S10 is 160. And we get 984. The sum of the first nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn equal 2n squared plus 5n. A. Find the first term. B. The ninth term. The first term is t1, and usually we find t1 with this equation: Tn equal a plus n minus 1 times d. But then here we are not given a or d. But the first term is also the same as S1, the sum of the first term only. Given the equation, we substitute 1 into the equation. So we get 2 times 1 squared plus 5 times 1, which is 7. B. The ninth term. Look at this diagram. The ninth term can be obtained by subtracting S8 from S9. So T9 also equal to S9 minus S8. And we plug in the numbers. 2 times 9 squared plus 5 times 9 minus 2 times 8 squared plus 5 times 8. And we get 39.